Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your local SEO rankings in Podium, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your local SEO rankings in Podium, log into your Podium account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Insights tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Insights to access local ranking metrics. Next, locate the Reviews section within the Insights dashboard. This area provides valuable data about your customer feedback and ratings. Monitor your reviews regularly to identify trends and changes in your rankings. Now, switch to the Messaging tab. Engaging with customers through messaging can improve your local SEO. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and reviews. Next, head over to the Listings section. Ensure your business information is accurate and up to date. This includes your business name, address, and phone number. Accurate listings are crucial for local SEO success. Now, check the Analytics tab for performance metrics. Track your website's traffic and conversion rates over time. This data can help you make informed decisions for your SEO strategy. Consider utilizing the Customer Insights feature for deeper understanding. Insights on customer demographics and behavior can enhance your marketing efforts. Next, review your local keywords and their performance. Identify which keywords drive traffic to your website. Use this information to adjust your strategy as needed. Make sure your website is optimized for mobile users. A mobile-friendly site is essential for local SEO rankings. Incorporate location-specific content to enhance relevance. Create blog posts or articles focused on local events and news. Finally, set a regular schedule to monitor your rankings. Consistent check-ins ensure you stay aware of any changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.